If you still haven't started a small business yet at this time, what are you waiting for? Now is the time. Everything has been made easy. The internet, it doesn't matter what sector you find yourself in. Even if you're in the food industry, in the clothing industry, even if you're just offering a service, now is the time for you to start your business. The internet has made everything so much more easier. You can reach thousands of people just with your mobile phone. So if you are capable of doing something, if you have a service that you can do, now is the time. If you haven't subscribed yet, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll be your guide all through building your business. Don't worry, it's gonna be easy. I'll give you all the tips, all the guides, and we can build something huge together. So go ahead and hit the like button because you are amazing. Don't keep sitting in that couch wasting time. Get up, pick up your phone, create a Facebook account, create a WhatsApp, create a TikTok, create a YouTube, create any online platform that you know, and you can reach an audience and you can start your business. So many people realize this after COVID and they are very happy with themselves right now. And you too can be. Well, I know you might be thinking,
but what if I failed? What if I tried this business and it didn't work out? Or what if I put all my finances into this business and it failed and it crumbled?
well, remember, there's no risk in trying. At least if you fail, the next time you're starting out, you'll be starting from experience, not from scratch anymore. Like myself, for example, I've learned a lot from my failures and it's helped me to grow. I'm sure you don't want to work all your life. Even when you're 60, you're still working, waking up at 8 a.m., going to work, maybe get to work at 9 a.m., close work at 5 p.m., come back home to your family, the same routine over and over again, Monday to Friday. You have the chance to create your own work schedule. You are going to have the freedom to do what you want when you want to. So here's what's going to happen, guys. If you're watching this video right now, you are in luck because I'm going to tell you some 7 quick steps, not so long, quick steps that you just need to take in order to launch your business successfully. If you do all of this, then you are sure to grow exponentially. Of course, it's not going to be an easy task. There's nothing easy in the world, but then everything comes with a price. With business, you just need the determination and consistency. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Starting a business can be an amazing gift from you to yourself. It doesn't matter where you are. You just gotta make sure you plan right, execute right, and understand all the legal factors that embody your business type, and you're good to go. You can start a business today if you want to. The very first step to creating a successful business is identifying the business type and doing the market research. Well, even if you're in your 9-to-5 job right now and you plan to start a business, now is the time. You just gotta make sure that you do your proper research and know what kind of business you wanna get into. Because you don't wanna get into a business that would crumble after a short while. Nobody wants that, of course. But then if you do your proper research and you analyze properly, you will be able to start your business and get it going successfully. All of this requires reasonable market research. So when you want to start your business, look at the market, analyze, do your research, think about what people want. Remember, in one of my previous videos, I actually said that if you want to start a successful business, you need to identify a problem of what people really want around you. Look at your community, look at your city, what's lacking, what kind of business is lacking, what kind of business do people need. So when you do your market research, when you understand the type of business that you want, you'll be able to get into the market successfully. Just make sure that you identify a problem that people have and you know how to penetrate that market. Now, heading into the second point, in order for you to be successful in your business, you need to be passionate about your business. You need that passion, you need that drive. Starting and growing a business is not an easy task. It needs devotion, it needs determination, it needs consistency. And if you don't have that, you're gonna quit along the line. So you need to have that passion for your business. Sometimes at the beginning, you might feel like, well, the passion is not there, it's not easy. But then, you need to create that passion. Sometimes you need to create the love for what you are trying to do, because when you think about the long-term goal, when you think about the long-term achievement, you need to feel that zeal. You need to have that desire, that passion to be able to put in the work. So before you start that business, make sure that you are passionate about it. You love what you're about to get into. Because if you're going to quit your 9-to-5 job in order for a business in the long run, then you need to love it. You won't want to wake up every morning thinking, this business again. How am I gonna go through this day doing this business? The business you're creating shouldn't be like your 9-to-5 job. It shouldn't be how you feel when you're going to your workplace. If you're creating a business, create a business that you actually love and you want to do it for a long time, happily. A business you want to actually retire in. That's very important. Because so many people, of course, going to the 9 to 5 jobs, they always feel like, oh, I gotta go to the job again. Oh, Mondays are like this. If you're starting a business, make sure that doing that business every Monday makes you happy. You don't complain about Monday, you don't complain about Tuesday. Every single day you have to feel like doing that business. So that's it, guys. Be passionate. And now on to the third one. You need to write your business plan. There's no business that starts without a business plan. If you want to anticipate and understand everything you need to do, everything you don't need to do while in that business, and the possible outcomes of your business, you need to draw a business plan. Even if you can't do it yourself, there are so many people online, there are so many people everywhere, mentors who can help you draw an amazing business plan. And if you get a good business plan, depending on the type of business that you want to start, that will be a huge advantage for you, for your business, and for the growth of your business. So you need a business plan. Understand your task, understand what you have to do to get to where you want to be. A business plan actually explains the whole process of how your business is going to run, employees, marketing strategy, competitors, diving into the market, penetrating the market. You need all of this, because without this, you will just be beating around the bush in your business. So going into the business, having a good business plan gives you a head start. So when you get a good business plan, you know what you are doing at what point in time. You know about your budgeting, about everything. It gets easy for you. So sometimes when you find yourself drifting away from your business plan, you'll be able to get back on track, all thanks to your business plan. So create your business plan, guys. Extremely important. And now, that was the third quick step for you to get your successful business startup. Now let's head on to the fourth one, figuring out your funding. Funding. Money. That's a huge problem for so many small businesses. So many people usually experience this problem every time, and it's very normal for you to feel this way, because it's so tough for small businesses to get loans. It's so difficult for your idea to be accepted by investors, to be accepted by banks, to just sponsor you like that, to be able to just give out money for you to start your business is hard. So before you launch your business, think about where you're gonna get money. First, if you're in your 9 to 5 job, if you got a way, you need to save. Save as much as possible, because starting a business is not easy, especially when it comes to funding. So you would wanna save up first, and when you get something in hand, then you start to find investors, people who might be interested in your idea, someone who is capable of helping you. So if you get a chance to go explain about your business to someone, you need to be able to make them feel convinced that that business can actually yield real profit and they can make gain out of it, because no one wants to put money into a business that's going to fail in the short term or the long term. So you would want to make sure that you convince any investor that you have to invest into your business. And now number 5, time schedule. Guys, before you start a business, especially if you already got a 9 to 5 job, you need to make sure that you have time for that business. You need to be able to plan your work and work your plan. If you're doing a 9 to 5 job, you need to make sure that anytime when you get back from your workplace, maybe from 6 p.m. through 9 or 10 p.m., you put in the work into your business. Of course, it requires sacrifice, it can be tiring, but then it will be worth it in the long run. You need to make sure that you have time away from your normal work schedule in order to be able to work on your business, in order to be able to grow your business. You need to be someone who understands the meaning of time. Remember, time is money. So if you don't put in your time into your business, you might not see the result. So if you're starting a business, make sure that you have the time, or you create the time and you work on that time. Business people take time very seriously. They don't joke with the time, because they understand how important, how valuable time is. Most of the times, business people like that thinking of new ways, new strategies to grow their businesses, new ways to get ahead of the competition, new ways to get new customers. Sometimes even when you're asleep, you are still thinking about how to get more customers, how to get ahead of your competition. Myself, for example, sometimes when I'm asleep and something comes to my mind, an idea for a business, I just wake up and I write it down, or I just get my notepad and I write it down. So when an idea or strategy for your business pops into your mind, make sure to either write it down somewhere or you type it down into your phone. And when you get a chance, you work on that. So let's head on to the 6th step for you to get your successful business running. Start your business while you are still employed. One huge mistake so many people make is to just quit the jobs planning to start a business. That's usually a very big problem for so many people, because they just want to quit the job, then start a business. That's a very huge mistake. You shouldn't do that. What you need to do is this: maintain your 9 to 5 job. Don't quit yet. Don't quit. Maintain your 9 to 5 job because you need the finance, you need the pay, you need the money in order to run your business. Start your business as a side hustle. So do not quit your 9 to 5 job yet. Maintain your 9 to 5 job. Start your business by the side. Take some of your salary and push into your business, and you might only have to quit in the long run when the business gets really big and you got more employees. And at that time, you can now quit your normal 9 to 5 job and head full-time onto your business without stress. That way you don't find yourself at the middle of a river or the middle of a sea wondering why you did that, why you didn't do this. Now for the last one, guys, you need to build a customer base beforehand. Like I said in the previous point, when you want to start your business, you still need to maintain your 9 to 5 job. You need to stay employed so that you can get some finance. While you're staying employed and as you're about to launch your business, make sure that you start prospecting. You can speak to your family members, you can speak to friends, you can speak to any audience that you got. Let them know what you're about to start offering. They should try your services and tell you what they think, the brutal truth, what they really feel about your products. Go ahead, ask them. There's no risk in trying. If you get customers beforehand, by the time you're starting, I'm sure you'll be receiving calls like, oh, the other one got finished, I need more. Oh, you got another one, I still want more. It motivates you to build your business. It motivates you to keep pushing your business forward. So do your best, guys. Get a customer base as fast as possible as you're starting your business. Don't wait until the business is at a peak before you can start building a customer base. You can start doing it now. So guys, here we are, all the 7 points. Very quick, very swift and smooth. You just need to put them in practice and you will launch a successful business. Remember, all of this depends on your mindset. If you got the right mindset, you can achieve anything you put your mind to. You can achieve anything that you want. So just do it, just start. If you don't start, you will never know. No risk in trying, of course. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Willen. See you next time.